camera.
Close the garage. Play your phone soft, America. You're making noise. Why are you making noise now?
It's a little bit.
It's too loud. Put down the volume on your phone down. Why don't you listen when I say put the volume down? Put down the volume. I didn't say put the speaker down, put the volume up. You can hear us.
Hey, watch. Look at it. Shall I play in the fighting game? Play in the fighting game.
You're not in the Wi-Fi zone. How you want to download?
I'm playing. I want to play this. We download all the games.
At home.
You're fighting the boss. Me and Monica download all the Look how big is this boss here. Look how big is this boss. Look how this big boss. That's the boss. Fight the boss. Yeah, yeah. We kill him.
You're making noise.
Oh, look at. Yeah. Oh, try to kill that big man.
Why are you making noise?
Can I kill that big man? Yeah, let's do it. No, look first, look, watch me killing this big man. Watch me. Kill this. Oh yeah. Force field. On force field. Force field. On force field. I'm doing it. Oh, another epic boss. We still got you.
I wonder what he was doing.
I still got you.
Why you falling?
Make me fall.
Sorry, brother.
I'm ready to fight. Oh yeah. You can't get me because I must be around you. Ah. The big guy can fight me. So let's see. Stop. 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 Wait a minute. Stop. Wait a minute.
Are you sick? Why you keep coughing? Why is it like that, bro?
Let's get away. Let's get away. Run. No, stop. That is stop. Lamborghini. Right there. Oh. Daddy, there's a Lamborghini.
It's not a Lamborghini, that is a Mercedes-Benz.
Mercedes. Yeah, it's a Mercedes. What is Mercedes?
Mercedes is a faster car.
That is Mercedes, a faster car. I saw another Mercedes. Daddy, look at like Daddy,
I see.
look at it, laser.
You know, the Mercedes has a cross like this. Like, the Mercedes has a thing like Y like this. You see at the back? Mercedes like this. That's Mercedes. So when you see that, it's Mercedes. You see the lines?
Yes.
It makes upside down Y. That's Mercedes.
Who's driving Mercedes? I can see people are driving it. That is a Mercedes fast.
Yes, it's fast.
Who's driving that Mercedes?
I don't know.
It's the guy. Full speed. That's why you saying bro. Full speed.
You say bro, not me.
Full speed. I saw another Mercedes, Daddy.
Where did you see it?
It was there, Tony.
There is another Mercedes, the red one. You must see there is the lines. You see there is the lines?
Yes.
That's also a Mercedes, a big Mercedes. You're gonna see the lines now, Daddy's gonna go to it. The lines are like this. The Mercedes line. How are the lines? Show me. Draw. Yeah.
Daddy, there was a Spencer Roy. There's a BMW. Watch out! Thanks!
It's a taxi. Which kind? The taxi. I don't know. The uncle has to wash it.
Stop. Daddy, why am I
There's another Mercedes.
There's another one. Look at the lines. You see?
Hi.
See the lines?
Yes,
The
Daddy.
Mercedes.
Daddy, Malachi doesn't saw that you Mercedes.
Wait, who's that? Come look.
The guy standing there, look. He's busy making smoke, bro.
He's cutting the grass, bro.
There.
Why are you saying this?
You said it's making smoke, bro. There's another Mercedes. Look at the lines. You see? Yeah. Do you know what Mercedes now? There's another one, the black one, big one. Look, there's the lights. Look at this one. See the lights in the front? That's a Mercedes. Mercedes like this.
Why is there too much Mercedes?
People like Mercedes.
Where all the people are going? Where are they going?
They're going to work.
Why?
With the Mercedes.
Yeah?
What?
People want to make money. People like to go to work. Why are you going to school?
Because I want to get money.
Okay.
And why always you go to work also?
I didn't go to work all the time. I sit at home there by the sunroom all the time.
Where's the Mercedes?
Look at that fence, the taxi pump, this fence down. Yeah. This is
Oh, there's
broken.
it. There was it.
It was the taxi.
The white taxi.
No, the
Hey,
white.
Daddy, there's two Mercedes.
That's
The
it.
blue one.
Where?
Two Mercedes.
I saw there was two blue Mercedes. It was the same blue one.
Okay.
Where's the Mercedes? There I see another one. There's a Mercedes. Oh, it's a BMW. There can I see a BMW?
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah. Hey, look at the guys flying. Look at Daddy. Look at Keely. Look at.
I see. There you
Yeah,
go.
there's a Mercedes. Daddy must be there.
Look at this red one. Here's the lines. You see, there's the lines.
This one.
Yeah, you see, it's a Mercedes.
This one here.
Yeah,
The bus.
yes, it's a Mercedes V2 bus.
Vito bus. It's a Vito bus, Daddy.
It's a Vito.
Vito bus.
Yeah, it's traffic. Yeah, so many cars.
I said that. You get that fast track.
Which truck?
That one.
Daddy, there's the bus. Daddy, there's the taxi. What's the stress? On the stress.
Daddy, see, there's a Mercedes. Look.
This one is a VW. Look, it's got a V and a W like this one. It's got a V and a W. It's a VW.
VW.
Like this one, look. There's the V, there's a W. Do you see?
Yes.
You don't see it.
Fast.
Huh?
Fast.
It's normal.
at the BMW, Daddy.
Yeah, it's a BMW.
Daddy, you have to warm my ass. Charlie, give me. Charlie, give me. Look what I'm doing. Look what I did. Look, I just fight this guy. Look. Look, Charlie. Look, I fight this big one. Now look at him.
What is this?
Daddy, what's the cartoon?
I don't know what it's doing.
That car there. What car is there? Turned by Melakalu.
Oh, please, babe.
Then what car is there by
I
Melakalu?
can't look, I'm driving now. It's too many people. Yo.
Daddy, there's our same car. Daddy, look at the same car.
Dad, there's a we go to the jumping place.
Why for?
For my. Well, because why is this stuff on my
No, your birthday is finished.
I got to take us to the theme park with TJ.
I don't know, but TJ wants to go to school.
No,
TJ
TJ.
is too big for jumping.
TJ likes to go to the theme park.
No, it doesn't.
TJ, we're not going to the spinning thing where you screaming. We're not going
No.
there. We're not going to the spinning thing. You and mommy and daddy is going to go to the roller coaster. Whoa! Yay! Yay! Yay!
Why are you doing?
Look at that, daddy. Look at
I'm
it.
driving, I can't look at the
Shannon. Take the first look at my fighting. Look at no music.
Dad, look, that car's driving fast. That red one.
Daddy, I found Daddy, what is that there? Oh. Daddy, what is that? It's charging.
Stop making noise. I'm not here.
Sally, look how I find. Look there. Look at Sally. Can you see?
Is it C-O-R? C-R-A-R-T.
Oh, stop. Wait a minute. Stop. Stop. Wait a minute. Stop. 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 Wait a minute. Stop. Wait a minute.
And look, the bike is making the splash. Yes, it is car.
Where?
It went by straight.
From the behind from the truck.
No,
Oh, there.
it is this one.
What?
In front by us.
No, EJ's car's not in EJ's car's a circle, white car.
Yeah.
I saw it. I was so
Look, here is a circle at the car. See, that is
He must have dust in. Let's look,
Find a way
look
to
at
get
the
to
circle.
the traffic.
Like dust. That's the cars look like. God, chill.
You see how many cars are there?
Yes.
Stop making noise, my friend.
relaxing your body.
I'm not relaxing, I'm looking at the car. You see how many cars?
We can't get up. We can't get up.
You can get out.
And look how I find this guy.
I see, bro.
Why is this guy's car like that? Look at the car now.
It's a polish.
Did it make the car cool?
He's gonna make the car shine. He's gonna clean it, and then the car is gonna be shiny. It's a soap for the car. He's gonna wash his car.
Why is the soap in the car? Then why is the soap in the car? Was the guy doing that by hope?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at the car has a yellow wheel.
Why is his wheel broken?
His wheel is broken. He put a yellow wheel.
I don't say broken.
Is it broken?
Yes, I said broken.
I'm ready for my last challenge. Yes, I'm on. Good. Kung Fu is good. 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 Oh yeah! Got one only. Oh, not the boss. Not that boss. You can't do all that. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Let's fight this guy. Up and go down.
You should stop banging the car.
Ever since the wood last, I was sleeping. No more clue. I was at the battle. Never sleep. You go crazy. No, no ways. Something slow.
Yo, your chest is sick. Cough properly. Why are you having hiccups? Are you having hiccups?
No!
I'm talking to Michelle. Are you having hiccups? You? Meleka is coughing. Michelle is having hiccups.
Daddy.
You can't say what. See? Tadi.
Daddy, what are you doing?
I'm waiting for the cars.
Why are they taking longer? We are late for school.
You're not late.
They must make him brrrr.
The motorbike.
Ali, what white is up in the tree?
I don't know.
Did you know it, Daddy?
I don't know
You
it.
always want to lie to us.
There's a BMW! Yeah! Yeah, behind from me!
Das ist big.
No, look at it.
Oh, I is.
You see?
If you want, if you want to. Yeah, can you turn, Daddy? Yeah, can you please turn? Yeah, but you turn.
Yo,
What, Daddy?
I'm going to the bus things.
Oh, the yellow. The yellow things. The yellow things making me shaking.
It's making me shake. Yeah.
Watch out! Woo! Hey, it's a BMW! Two BMWs! Two BMWs! Daddy, there's two BMWs.
I see, boy.
Going to school. Going to school. I did it almost to school. Go to school. We almost here. Wait, what the fuck?
Take your stuff.
Okay, guys, we're here.